Before we dive into the plumbing of data pipelines, let's ask a fundamental question. What is ETL actually? Today we are stepping out of the server room and into the commercial kitchen to explain extract, transform, and load using an analogy everyone can understand. Welcome to ByteSized Data. Now, let's look at the foundational pipeline structure, the ETL framework. We start by extracting messy, raw production ingredients from various source systems. Next, we transform that data by cleaning, parsing, and scrubbing out bugs. Finally, we load it, storing those polished rows cleanly in the warehouse for easy, high-speed access. Before we can build any fancy analytical models or charts, we have to extract our raw ingredients. On the technical side, this means targeting production databases and moving raw data directly to our loading dock completely unaltered. For our kitchen analogy, this is like stepping out into chaotic
Raw
data
data
is like potatoes fresh out of the dirt. You can't just throw them straight into the pot. Before our data warehouse can use any information, it goes through a central staging layer. This is where the engine standardizes formats and removes errors. Much like washing and
Once the
peeling
data
potatoes.
is
cleaned, it has to go somewhere safe and highly organized. Think of the data warehouse as a giant walk-in freezer. The data engineer takes those refined data tables and boxes them up. When an analyst opens a dashboard, they pull exactly what they need in milliseconds. To recap, the ETL process gathers raw metrics, cleans and standardizes them, and then securely packs them away for future analytical use. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more data insights.